If you've been looking into trading apps, you've probably come across Plus500, one of the most well-known platforms in the trading world. But the big question is Plus500 really worth using in 2025, or are there better alternatives out there? Let's break it down. Plus500 is a CFD trading platform. That means instead of buying the actual stock or asset, you're trading on the price movement. You can trade Forex, commodities, indices, shares, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest advantages here is leverage. With leverage, you can open a larger position than your initial deposit would normally allow. Sounds great, right? Well, leverage can increase profits, but it also dramatically increases risk. In terms of usability, Plus500 is excellent. The app and web platform are clean, intuitive, and fast. Even beginners find it easy to open trades, set stop-loss orders, and track their portfolio. There's also a demo account where you can practice with virtual money before risking anything real. For many new traders, this is a huge plus. But let's talk about costs. Plus500 doesn't charge traditional commissions. Instead, they make money through spreads, the difference between buy and sell prices. For casual traders, this feels simpler, but if you're trading very frequently, spreads can add up and make your trading more expensive than you think. Security-wise, Plus500 is regulated in multiple regions, including Europe, the UK, and Australia. That gives a strong sense of reliability, and your funds are generally safe. However, remember, regulation doesn't protect you from market risk. If you lose money due to poor trades, that's on you. Now here's the real question. Is Plus500 the right app for you? If you're a beginner who wants a straightforward way to get into CFD trading, it's one of the easiest apps to use. The interface is simple, the demo account is helpful, and the educational resources are decent. But if you're looking for long-term investing, like buying real stocks or holding crypto for years, Plus500 is not the right tool. It's designed for short-term speculation, and with the risks of leverage, it's important to be cautious. So is Plus500 worth it in 2025? Yes, if you want to trade CFDs in a regulated beginner-friendly app, but no, if your goal is safe, long-term wealth building. As always, trade smart, never risk more than you can afford, and know exactly what you're getting into.